In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a real account on FxPro. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to FxPro.com, which is their official website, and then on here, click on the register button, top right, and then just basically put in your info, such as your country of residence, your email, and then your password you want to use as well, and click on register with FxPro. After you do this, you'll get access to their FxPro Direct, which is basically your dashboard, your hub, where you can go ahead and create accounts, fund accounts, etc. And to actually open a real account here, click on Wallet and Accounts, top left. Go to Real Accounts down here under where it says you're trading accounts. And then simply click on Plus Create Account. Select the account that suits you. For me, the only one that's currently available is the FxPro Standard. And then under Platform Settings, you can go ahead and click on here. Select if you want MT5, MT4, or C Trader, and then click on Continue with Standard. And then here you can select your currency as well as your leverage and which execution method you'd like to have. And after that, just click on the Create Account button and your real account will be created on FxPro. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.